Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can you easily edit Word document on Canva. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open any one of the web browser and open Canva. Simply log in with your account. After that, in the home page, you can see a lot of options. Simply click on upload and choose the option of upload files. Then after browsing through your system, you will be able to browse any one of the Word document. There you can see in recent design that your Word document is being imported. Once it is imported, simply double click on it to open in the Canva design page. And as you can see, now this file has been opened in the design page of Canva. And if you click on any one of the elements such like text, image, now you can edit it using one of the element of Canva. So that's it. That is how easily you can edit Word document on Canva. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.